What if I told you Wikipedia is fighting back against AI bots that are draining its resources by giving AI developers exactly what they want? That's right. Instead of letting bots endlessly scrape its site, Wikipedia is taking a bold new approach. It's offering up a machine learning-ready dataset designed specifically for AI training. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. It helps more than you know. The Wikimedia Foundation has just announced a partnership with Kaggle, that's Google's data science platform, to host a structured, open-access dataset of Wikipedia content. The goal? To offer AI developers a better, more efficient way to access the information they need without overloading Wikipedia's servers. This new dataset is currently in beta and includes English and French content. It's formatted specifically for machine learning workflows, making it easy for developers to train, fine-tune, benchmark, and align AI models. Instead of the usual raw article scraping, users now get structured JSON files packed with research summaries, short descriptions, article sections, info box data, and even image links. What's not included are references or media like audio files. This is about the written word, optimized. According to Wikimedia, this approach is meant to dissuade developers from scraping Wikipedia's site, a process that's been bogging down servers and consuming serious bandwidth thanks to the relentless activity of automated bots. The good news is, all of this content is openly licensed. That means it's available not just to giants like Google, who already have sharing agreements with Wikipedia, but also to smaller companies, independent researchers, and solo developers who want clean, structured data to work with. Kaggle, known for being a hub for data science competitions and datasets, is excited to be the host. Brenda Flynn, who leads partnerships at Kaggle, said they're thrilled to help make this resource accessible, useful, and easy to work with for the machine learning community. So, instead of going head-to-head with bots, Wikipedia is meeting the AI community halfway, giving them high-quality data in a way that benefits both sides. It's a smart move that could shape how open data is shared and used in the AI world moving forward. Check out the related video in the corner to see how other platforms are navigating the AI data race.